everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download the salary upload payroll for a particular employee in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the HR module. Here, we have to select the salary upload payroll menu under the HR module. Now the salary ledger list will be displayed on the screen. Here we have to select the branch. And also we have to select the particular employee. Then we have to click on the submit button. Here we can see the salary payroll details. Now we have to click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download option. This is how to download the salary upload payroll for a particular employee in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.